Moon subtends an angle of 1 degree 55 minutes at the baseline equal to diameter of the earth. What is the distance of the moon from the earth? That's what the question. Given an example 1.2, and they have given even the radius of the earth, which is 6400 kilometer. So here we will be substituting the diameter, which is effectively 12,800 kilometers. Okay, so before going to solving this problem, you just look at the given. So we are going to use parallax method, but the angle is given in degrees and minutes. So we need to know the relation, and we are supposed to substitute the angle in radians. So what we do is, we all know 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian, or 360 times 1 degree, 360 times 1 degree equal to 360 degree, and that is equal to 2 pi radian, and 1 degree equal to 2 pi by 360 or pi by 180 radians. This is one relation. But like how 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter, 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. 60 minutes, I mean, a circle can be divided into 360 equal part, and each part is 1 degree, and that 1 degree can further be divided into 60 divisions, and each division is 1 minute, and each minute can further be divided into 60 seconds. Like this can be 60 times 1 minute equal to 1 degree, but 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, and 1 minute equal to pi by 180 into 60, which is roughly around 2.907, something like that it will come. But we won't prefer that. We are going to have something far more better version of this, because here, like how 60 minute equal to 1 degree, 60 seconds, here I mean double dash, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Then, but 1 minute equal to pi by 180 into 60 radians. Then 60 minute is actually 60 times 1 second. 60 seconds is 60 times 1 second, and that is equal to pi by 180 into 60 radians. Then 1 second is actually equal to pi by 180 into 60 into 60. So this is actually equal to exactly 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. So whenever it comes to converting minutes into radians, what we do, instead of using this minute value, which is 1 minute is actually equal to pi by 180, instead of writing 2.9 approximately 10 power minus 4 radian, instead of using this, we will convert the minute into seconds. From seconds we will be converting into radians. That's what we are going to use it here. Here they have given the angle as 1 degree 55 minutes. So given, so let's come back to that. Given the parallel axis 1 degree 55 minutes, that is 1 degree is 60 minutes, 60 plus 55, so 60 minute plus 55, which is 115 minutes. But 1 minute is actually 60 seconds, so 115 into 1 minute, so 115 into 1 minute is 60 seconds, so 60 seconds. So the total second 1 degree 55 minute is actually equal to 115 times 115 into 60 times 1 second. But 1 second is actually, we have just found 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radian. So instead of this 1 second, we can substitute the radian value. 115 into 60 into 1 second is 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 radians. So 1 degree 55 minute is actually equal to the product of all of them. When you multiply all of these things, you will be roughly getting 3.34 into 10 power. When you multiply all of these into 10 power 4, it will come 10 power minus 6 will also be there, radians. So the radian value equivalent to 1 degree 55 minute is actually 3.34 into 10 power minus 2 radians. So what is given in the problem? The given in the problem is the moon makes a parallel axis of 1 degree 55 minutes from a baseline equal to diameter of the earth. That means suppose there are 2 points over here. There are 2 points. From this point, so here is the moon. From this point, if you look at the moon, and from this point, if you look at the moon, and you will be getting actually this angle exactly equal to 1 degree 55 minute. But this is a baseline equal to diameter of the earth. Actually is between these 2 points over here and here, this makes an angle 1 degree 55. So according to the definition, if you actually do is, see this how it works. So this is the center and these are 2 points and separated by this distance exactly equal to diameter of the earth. So this is our arc length. This is our arc length. I will do that. This is our arc length, which is equal to diameter of the earth, and this is the radius of this circle. But radius of this circle is the distance of the moon here from this point. So we know that theta, which is 1 degree 55 minutes, which is actually equal to 3.34 into 10 power minus 2 radians, theta equal to arc length by radius. Arc length is L, this radius. Radius is the distance of the point to the moon, hence the distance of the moon is equal to arc length by theta. But arc length is the distance between the points, which is equal to diameter of the earth. So 12,800 kilometers. So into 10 power 3 or 12.8 into 10 power 6 by 3.34 into 10 power minus 2. When you divide these two terms, the distance of the moon, we call this r, instead of r, distance of the moon we will call. So the distance of the moon from the point is, when you substitute all the values, it will be equal to 3.83 into 10 power 8 meters. So to make it more appreciable, you know that 3.83 into 10 power, this 8 can be written as 10 power 5 into 10 power 3 meters. 10 power 3 meter is kilometer, so it is 3.83. 10 power 5 is lakh kilometer. So the distance of the moon is around 3.83 lakh kilometer from earth.